Today's video is regarding Canon PIXMA MG2400 series printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. Now first step is to switch on the printer, and ink cartridge chamber door is here, so just push and it will open, and wait for the ink cartridges to move and come here. To remove them, simply press it down and take it out. And to install the new ink cartridges, you have to just place the color at the color side. Now slide it in and push it with the force and it will lock. Just do it for the black as well. Slide it in, push it with the force, it will lock. Now you can close the ink cartridge chamber door. So this way we can install the ink cartridges. Thanks for watching.